my channel. I'm Kayla Castro. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. Perfect for Valentine's Day coming up in a couple of days. I used the Amrezy palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills that just came out. Sneak peek, it's amazing. So if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. So obviously I did one eye off camera, so I'm going to do this eye for you guys. The first two shades I'm going in with are these two shades right here, New Yorker and OG. This is just going to be my transition shade, so I'm taking it on just like a fluffy crease brush. What is this? It's a Morphe brush, it doesn't have a number. And I'm just dipping back and forth between both of them and throwing this in my crease. And I'm kind of like contouring my nose with this shade as well. And I'm just going to bring this out. And as you can see, the eyeshadows are very pigmented. Obviously, Anastasia Beverly Hills. But they blend really well. Like, I'm already done with that. Like, 1, 2, 3. The next shade I'm taking is called Semta. It's just like this purple shade right here. And I'm taking it on my Morphe M456 brush. And I'm throwing this in the crease as well, but lower than the shade that we already put down. And I'm putting it on the outer corner as well. So just using like windshield wiper motion for the crease, making sure I'm not bringing it too high, and then just dabbing it on the outer corner. And then if I have to, I'll go in with my fluffy brush from before and blend those two shades together a little bit better, so there's no harsh line. Let me know if you guys like me doing one eye on camera better, so that way I can show you like more of what I do, because I feel like a lot of times I cut out like all the blending that I actually do, because I literally go back and forth between brushes so much, and I just like cut it out because then the video will be longer than it already is. I cut my eye off camera already, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Cupcake, which is this purpley shimmer shade right here. And I'm taking it on my Morphe M124 brush, and I'm packing it on, and I'm gonna just spray it with a little bit of setting spray, so it's a little wet. The train. Please hold. So like I was saying before the train rudely interrupted me, I'm taking this shade and I'm putting it on my lid, but I'm keeping it like towards the outer part of my lid because we're going to go in with a different shade for the inner part. So I'm just packing this on, and I'm just going to flip my brush over, and I'm going to go in with the shade Resi. This is just the hot pink in the palette, and I'm going to pack that on the inner part of my eye like that, and kind of blend them together. So I'll just like flip my brush back and forth to kind of make them mesh into one shade a little bit, you know. So I lost a little bit of that purple color that was in my crease, so I'm going to go back in with it and kind of lightly brush it back in. I'm actually going to take a smaller brush. This is the Morphe 506. It's a little tiny one, and I'm going to use that to kind of get back in there. Just like that. And take my big blending brush, blend it all together. So on top of my lid shade, I'm going to take the shade Barb, which is this shimmer shade right here. It's really pretty, but I recommend putting like a shade underneath it because it's more of like a eyeshadow topper, if you will. Like, it's just a whole bunch of glitter, but you definitely need like a shade over it, under it. And just packing this lightly over my whole lid. because like I said, it's just like a glitter, so you can still see the shade underneath it. It just adds like a duochrome effect to the look. So for the last part of this look, I'm taking the shade 1988 and Yugo. So this dark brown shade, and then this one's like a dark maroon. I'm gonna mix them both on my Morphe M506, and I'm lightly gonna put this on the outer V area of my eye, just to darken up the look a little bit. So I cleaned up the eyeshadow just with my makeup wipe. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade brown and create just like a little tiny wing. You're gonna be like barely be able to see it, but this is just gonna make our lashes blend better. And I feel like I've really been into brown eyeliner lately because it looks more like natural. There's nothing natural about a wing, but it looks more natural. So I'm just gonna do that. I prime my face with my Maybelline Master Prime face primer. This one is for redness and blurring. And then I'm gonna go in with this new CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. It's like vegan and it's like dewy finish. I don't know. I've seen a lot of people getting it in PR lately, and I wanted to try it out. And the packaging is super cute because it's pink. So let's see how this works. I don't think it's like supposed to be full coverage at all. It doesn't say. Sheer foldable coverage. I'm typically a full coverage kind of gal, but I wanted to try this out, so we'll see how it performs. I'm just taking the Scott Barnes 68 brush, and I'm gonna put this on my face. It's definitely dewy, which I don't know how good that would be for me because I actually have very oily skin, especially in my T-zone, so I don't know about that, but just need a little bit more. So this is just personal preference. I know a lot of people that follow me don't wear full face of makeup, so this might be enough for you. Honestly, it's really cute. It just evens out your complexion. Like, I can still see my skin through it, which when I wear makeup, I don't want to see my skin, especially with like a very aggressive look like this. So I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Double Beauty Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral and kind of like just add it where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage, which is everywhere basically. Just gonna take my Morphe concealer that I literally always use and put that under my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, and my chin. While my face is baking, I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm going to take the shade Yugo and 1988 and mix them and throw it on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade Semsta, which was like the matte purple, and blend out that dark brown with this. Lastly, I'm going to take the fluffy side of this brush and take New Yorker and OG and blend out both of those shades. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 130 on my Morphe Y5 brush, and I'm just going to put this everywhere I didn't put my bake. For bronzer, I'm taking my NARS Laguna bronzer on my Scott Barnes 67 brush, and I'm just going to dust my face with this to warm it up a little bit. To contour my face, I'm going to take the Scott Barnes contour palette, I'm going to use the shade Carve, which is this shade right here. And I'm taking the Scott Bond 65 brush, and I'm going to contour. I've really been into these new brushes lately that I tried out in my previous video. They're really good. I don't think I tried this brush in the video, but I seen a tutorial and he used this for contouring, so I tried it out and I'm a fan. While I'm letting my bake settle in, I'm going in with my Demi Wispies from Ardell. These are my favorite lashes. I literally wear them every single day. So I'm going to go put them on off camera because I suck at staying in the frame when I put lashes on. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. We're going to do blush now. I'm using this Milani blush called Red Vino. I've had it for a really long time. It's just a baked blush and it has like gold shimmer in it. And I'm taking my Morphe E4 and I'm just going to apply this on my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm obviously going to use my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And I'm taking it on my Scott Bond 66 brush and just applying that. That's so nice. One of the best highlighters in the game. For lips, I'm going to take my Anastasia liquid lipstick and it's called On You. For gloss, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown lip gloss. This is number Nude 8. So before I go, I just wanted to talk about the palette and the foundation I tried out. For the foundation, it's a great foundation if you prefer more of like a natural finish. You can definitely still see your skin through it, and it gives you like a dewy, healthy look. I will be using this. Oh, it has coconut milk and aloe extract. That's nice. I will be using this for like every day if I feel like I need a little bit more coverage than just concealer on a particular day, because it is very lightweight. So I do love it, but I just wouldn't wear it with a full beat glam. And then as far as the palette, it's amazing. I love it. The colors are phenomenal. I did decide to go with more of the colors, the pinks and the purples, but you could easily create a very natural look with this palette because it does have like just the brown and gold for the lid. So yeah, good job on this palette. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and comment down below what you want to see next. I love you guys. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.